And our top focus this Monday morning is on the Bharat Bandh that's been called by the farmer unions. On this day last year, the presidential nod was given for the farm bills, which made it a law. And that's why since then, of course, we've been seeing protests rocking the country. Today is an all-India Bandh that's been called by the Samyukt Kisan Morcha. Now, it is in fact a 10-hour-long Bandh and will be effective till 4 p.m. Farmers said that they will not allow movement on some sections of the national highways. Government or private offices, shops, industries, commercial establishments, all of this could be affected during the Bharat Bandh. More than a dozen opposition parties, including the Congress, BSP, SP, they've all expressed their support to the Bharat Bandh. The Congress has asked all of its workers, state unit chiefs and heads to take part in the Bharat Bandh. Meanwhile, the Union Agriculture Minister has urged all of the farmer unions to adopt dialogue and not to resort to any protests. Let's take this across to our reporters on the ground. Kumar Kunal and Manjeet Sehgal are joining us on this broadcast to tell us really what is the impact of this Bandh on your lives. Let's first begin with Manjeet Sehgal. Manjeet, what's the situation on the ground? We're seeing a number of highways being closed down as a precautionary measure.
Akshita, good morning. Well, we are at Ambala Chandigarh National Highway. On my left side, you can see farmers have blocked this highway. They are not even allowing women to, only ambulances and the hospital staff are being allowed to move ahead. The entire national highway has been blocked at various locations. Not only the highways, but also the link roads joining the societies and villages have also been blocked by the farmers in protest against the three contentious agri laws. As far as the markets are concerned, commercial establishments are concerned, or educational institutions are concerned, everything will remain closed today, as farmer unions have appealed all the people to support this shutdown, saying that union government should come forward and repeal these anti-farmer laws. They are shouting slogans against the union government and has demanded that these laws should be repealed as soon as possible. Remember, Rakesh Tikait, who held a panchayat in Haryana yesterday, had appealed the government to take a decision on these agricultural laws. Remember, this completes 1 year when the President of India, Ramnath Kovind, has assented the three contentious farm laws, and this is the third.
Manjeet, I'll just come to you. Manjeet, I'll come across to you for a live update. I want to take this across quickly to Kumar Kunal. He has with him Rakesh Tikait. Remember, someone who's been leading the protests for the last many months against these farm laws. Kumar Kunal, good morning. It's over to you for a reaction from Mr. Tikait.
Akshita, very good morning, and it's a very good morning from Gazipur border as well. The roads are being blocked by the farmers already, but Rakesh Tikait is sitting, and there is a community kitchen in which he is doing some cookery work as well. आज तो आप खाना बना रहे हो और बाहर में पूरा बंद का असर है, तो ये किस तरीके का बंद?
नहीं, बंद है, चल रहा है, पूरा किसान लगे हुए हैं, समझो। और हम यहाँ पर रहते हैं, तो जहाँ पर रह रहे हैं तो वहाँ पर काम भी करना चाहिए। तो सुबह सुबह कोई भी काम हो तो जरूर हम करते हैं।
अच्छा, जो आज का बंद है उसका मकसद क्या है? क्योंकि आप 10 महीने से इसी तरीके से बॉर्डर पे बैठे हुए हो, लेकिन आगे सरकार से बातचीत पिछले 8-9 महीने से हुई नहीं।
हाँ, हुई नहीं।
तो कैसे आगे का क्या रास्ता, इस बंद से क्या हासिल होगा?
सरकार तक हमारी बात जाए कि हम किसान भी यहाँ पे हैं, इस बंद का ही असर है, रहेगा। सरकार तक बात जाएगी, आपके माध्यम से जाएगी, जनता के माध्यम से जाएगी, तो यही होता है।
पब्लिक को परेशानी हो रही है, ट्रबल्स हो रहे हैं, बहुत सारे सड़कों पे जाम भी लगा हुआ है। खासतौर पर अगर हम दिल्ली की बात करें, तो आपको लगता है कि इस तरीके के बंद से मुश्किल ज्यादा होती है, फायदा कम होता है?
हमने कहा कि बंद पहले भी होते थे, या जो बंद का समर्थन नहीं करता वे पार्टियां लिख के एफिडेविट एग्रीमेंट करें और सुप्रीम कोर्ट में दे कि हम आने वाले टाइम पे कभी भी बंद नहीं करेंगे। एफिडेविट दिलवा दो हमें किसी का, हम भी नहीं करेंगे।
कई लोग कह रहे हैं कि पॉलिटिकल है आपका मामला, क्योंकि आप जा रहे हो पंचायत करने के लिए, कह रहे हो कि बीजेपी को वोट ना दें। तो क्या आपको नहीं लगता है क्या कि ये जो पूरा 10 महीने का खेती को लेकर के, एग्रीकल्चर को लेकर के आपने कहा कि ये पूरा एजिटेशन रहेगा, लेकिन उसको अब कहीं ना कहीं पॉलिटिकल थोड़ा ज्यादा बढ़ रहा है?
कानून सरकार लेकर आई तो जब मीटिंग में जाएंगे किसान पूछते हैं तो फिर उनको कहे कि नहीं ये बीजेपी पार्टी बहुत बढ़िया है और इसको और ज्यादा वोटों से जिताओ जिससे ये ज्यादा और काम कर सके। और ये जमीनें जो है 10 साल में लेनी इनको, ये 3 साल में ही लेकर एक साल में ये खत्म कर दे सब, ये कहे जाके। जिसके खिलाफ आंदोलन चल रहा, जो कानून लेकर आई है उसके पक्ष में बोल रहे हैं।
एग्रीकल्चर मिनिस्टर कह रहे हैं कि बातचीत के लिए आओ, अब टॉक्स होने चाहिए।
जिस दिन वो बुलाएंगे हम बिल्कुल जाएंगे। आपको कहा उन्होंने?
मीडिया के जरिए ही अपील किया,
और मीडिया के जरिए हम अपील कर रहे हैं कि जब वे बुलाएंगे हम जाएंगे।
So Akshita, there is a clear statement from Rakesh Tikait that if agriculture minister or government is serious for the talks, then they should call them formally. There is no communication whatsoever with the government till now for last almost 8 to 9 months, and since they are not talking and they are not communicating with the farmers, so this protest will go on. The Bharat Bandh will be also successful. Even opposition parties are also supporting this bandh. So overall, Rakesh Tikait is quite adamant that till government is going to accept their demands, they are not going to move from it.
Right, Kumar, thank you for getting us that conversation with Rakesh Tikait. As far as the Bharat Bandh is concerned, do you have to be worried? Is it going to impact you? Well, at this point, definitely looks like everything is playing as per normal. But remember that several of the highways, particularly bordering the national capital, will be closed today. Many of it already, the administration has announced, has been shut down temporarily.